Excuse me?
I don't want to.
Yes, sir. It just slows down the growth. You can see it won't kill it, but it does slow them down, slow the growth down. You can see how that one still has leaves on it, but that moss gets worse and worse every year.
Is there a way to get the moss out?
Like, we'll use it for shop stuff like that, but it'll grow back.
It only grows on oak trees.
It grows in like oak trees, cypress trees, not any of our orange groves or anything like that. But the oak trees are very bad. Pine trees too. You ready, sir? That's part of our monster challenge as well. We turn it into a giant slip and slide. We put down that tarp with water and soap. Everybody goes sliding down it. If you don't want to just slide down it, we'll give you a raft or inner tube to ride on too.
Sit there without driving it? Go sit in the seat. You don't have to drive it. Just sit.
All you have to do is hold the steering wheel.
I'll take a picture.
You just sit there and I'll hold the steering wheel and the pedal.
How'd you like that, Rye?
No? You don't even want to sit there? Okay. Is our birthday boy want to drive again then? Come on up here, sir. You did a wonderful job last time. You did a wonderful job.